What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Supreme Tech. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to add items to your storefront if you have an Amazon influencer account. Now, this is a little bit different than an Amazon affiliate account, even though they're both connected, but this is an actual storefront. So if you're trying to figure out how to add items to like your Amazon affiliate where you want to add links, this isn't that. So this is a little bit different than that, but maybe I can show you how to do that too, and it only takes a second. So I'll show you how to do that, but this video is more focused on trying to get items added to your storefront for your Amazon influencers account, like this here. You see we got fire sticks, studio equipment, other electronics, and gaming controllers and stuff like that. So I'm going to show you how to do this, guys, but before we get into it, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new and this video helps you out. Also, smash that like button. It really helps out the channel. And check out in the descriptions of all my videos, guys. I'm going to show you here. This is one of my videos. If you look on the descriptions of all of them, you're going to have my Amazon store, which is what we're going to go over today. There's going to be a link in all my videos. You just click on it and it'll take you there. Also got IP Vanish and then a couple other links I throw up in all my videos. Also, if you go down a little bit, you got all my social media stuff. So if you're interested, go ahead, follow one of those. With that said, though, let's get right into the video. Alright, guys, so here we are. I'm on my storefront. Now, I'm going to show you how to add stuff to your storefront if you're trying to do that. So what you got to do is just come to Amazon. I'm here on Amazon. Let's go search up. Let's get this Echo Dot here for kids, right? This one's actually pretty cool. You can customize it, put whatever you want on it. But say we want to put this on our storefront, right? All you got to do is when you click on the product, you'll see it's got the name of it right here and the price and everything. And then on the right hand side, you can scroll down where it says add to cart and buy now. You just scroll all the way underneath that and you'll see a button that says add to list. Now, I got mine called Supreme Tech Gear. So if I want to add something to that, when I add it, it's going to go right onto my Amazon storefront. You can also, if you don't have a list, you just create one, and then it should be on your storefront, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this one, Supreme Tech Gear, and you can see right here it says added to. So now let's go back to my storefront and just open it up and show you that it's on there. Let's just refresh the page. Alright, so now when we scroll down, you see it right here. All you got to do is click on it, and it'll take you right to the product. Okay, it's that simple. It's real easy, guys. And another thing that I forgot to mention, it's always good to have more than one list. I just got this up and running today, so I only got one list on there. I'm going to be adding more. So if you're interested in checking out my storefront, I'm going to have streaming gear, I'm going to have PC gear, and I'm going to have like gaming stuff like Xbox, PlayStation, games and accessories and consoles also. But I'm going to have a ton of tech stuff within those three subjects, right? Also smart TVs and tablets and all that. Now that we got that done, guys, let me show you real quick how to make a link. If you already have your Amazon affiliates account, you should be able to do this. If you scroll all the way up to the top, you'll see up here where it says Site Stripe, and it'll say Get Link right here. Now there's three options to get the link. You can do just the text link, you can do just the image where they click on the image, or you can do both with a text and an image. What I usually do is just the text, especially if I'm putting it in my YouTube description. So you just click on that, and then you come down here and right click and click copy, and then you would take that and paste it to whatever, wherever you're going to want to paste it to, your Twitter page or your YouTube description or anything like that, right? So that's just a real quick and easy way how to do it. Make sure you're on your right store ID and tracking ID. If you made your affiliate account, it should only be just one, unless you have multiple. But whichever store ID you want to get paid for, right, is the one you're going to want to use. So if you got two of them, and one of them is the one that you want the people to click on and get paid on, make sure you put the right store, right? You can also do a full link. I don't recommend that. Always do the short link. It's way better, way easier. And a lot of people don't click on links if they're really long. So I always recommend doing the short link. With that said, guys, I think that about does it for this video. Again, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Smash that like button. Really helps us out here at Supreme Tech. Thanks for watching, everybody. And I'll see you in the next one.
Yeah, yeah.